Where does it go still?
Well, Harper, what do you want?
I want to ride a motorcycle.
You want to ride? You want to ride on the motorcycle? Okay, go get a helmet.
Where's the helmet?
I don't know. Find it. Okay.
I'm ready.
Get back in.
I love it today.
Huh?
I love it today.
You love today?
Yeah.
Because you're going to ride the motorcycle?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, baby girl.
It's a good.
Okay, hold on. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Where are you going?
To the motorcycle.
Okay.
Time.
Are you excited, Harper?
Yeah.
What are you... Where are we going?